Magnesium can help improve your mood, sleep, exercise performance, blood sugar regulations, and more. You can get it from supplements and in certain foods like nuts and leafy greens. From regulating blood sugar levels to boosting athletic performance, magnesium is crucial for your brain and body. Yet, although it's found in various fruits ranging from leafy greens to nuts, seeds, and beans, many people don't get enough in their diet. Here are 12 evidence-based health benefits of magnesium and some simple ways to increase your intake. But before going further into the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more related content. Do not forget to watch this till the end because I have described the food sources of magnesium in the end of this video. And let's continue. Number one is involved in hundreds of thousands of biochemical reactions in your body. Magnesium is found throughout your body. Every cell in your body contains this mineral and needs it to function. About 60% of the magnesium in your body occurs in bone, while the rest in muscles, soft tissues, and fluids, including blood. It's involved in more than 600 reactions in your body, including energy creation, protein formation, gene maintenance, muscle movement, nervous system regulation, and a lot more. Nonetheless, studies suggest that approximately 50% of US adults get less than the recommended daily amounts of magnesium. Number second is may boost exercise performance. You may need more magnesium during exercise than when you are resting, depending on the activity. Magnesium helps move blood sugar into your muscles and dispose of lactate, which can build up during exercise and cause fatigue. Studies show magnesium supplements may be particularly beneficial for improving exercise performance in older adults and those with a deficiency in this nutrient. One older study of about 2,570 women associated higher magnesium intake with increased muscle mass and power. However, more studies are needed as some research suggests that supplementing does not help athletes or active people with adequate magnesium levels. Number third is may combat depression. Magnesium plays a crucial role in brain function and mood. Low levels are linked to an increased risk of depression. A 2020 review suggested that stress may deplete magnesium, increasing susceptibility to stress and depression. What's more, supplementing with this mineral may help reduce symptoms of depression. In one small 8-week study, taking 500 milligrams of magnesium daily led to significant improvements in symptoms of depression in people with a deficiency in this mineral. Number fourth is may support healthy blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that about 48% of people with type 2 diabetes have low blood levels of magnesium, which may impair the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. Additionally, research indicates that people who consume more magnesium have a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. A review reported that magnesium supplements improved blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity in people at risk for type 2 diabetes. Number 5th is boosts anti-inflammatory benefits. Low magnesium intake is linked to increased levels of inflammation, which plays a crucial role in aging and chronic diseases. One review of 11 studies concluded that magnesium supplements decreased levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation in people with chronic inflammation. Number 6 is may help prevent migraine attacks. Migraine headaches can be painful and often cause nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light and noise. Researchers believe that people with migraine are more likely than others to have a magnesium deficiency. Several studies suggest that magnesium supplements may even prevent and treat migraine headaches. Number 7 is may improve PMS symptoms. And what PMS is? Actually, premenstrual syndrome is one of the most common condition in female-bodied people of childbearing age. It often causes symptoms such as water retention, abdominal cramps, tiredness, and irritability. Some research suggests that magnesium supplements help relieve PMS symptoms and other conditions such as menstrual cramps and migraine attack. This may be because magnesium levels fluctuate throughout the menstrual cycle, worsening PMS symptoms in those with a deficiency. As such, supplements may help reduce the severity of symptoms, including menstrual migraine attacks. Number 8 is may promote bone health. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining bone health and protecting against bone loss. In fact, 50 to 60% of your body's magnesium is found in your bones. Some studies associate lower levels of this mineral with a higher risk of osteoporosis, which causes bones to become brittle and weak. Number 9 is may support better sleep. Magnesium supplements are often used as natural remedy for sleep issues such as insomnia. This is because magnesium regulates several neurotransmitters involved in sleep such as gamma aminobutyric acid. One review of older adults with insomnia found that magnesium supplements lowered the amount of time it took people to fall asleep by an average of 17 minutes. Number 10 is safe and widely available. Magnesium is essential for many aspects of health. The recommended daily intake is 400 to 420 milligrams for males and 310 and 320 milligrams for females. Let's talk about food sources of magnesium. The following, which I'm going to tell you right now, are rich in magnesium. For example, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, spinach, almonds, cashews, black beans, peanut butter, brown rice, and a lot more. I hope you love this video. Please hit the like button, comment in the comment section down below, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much.